Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to share a post with multiple photos on Instagram. Okay, let's begin by opening up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, you see in the middle of everything, if you see on the bottom of your screen, there's like the little house symbol, and there's like the magnifier, and then if you tap to the middlemost icon, it's like a little plus with a a square around it. It will get you to here. Once you're here, this is where you're going into your phone's files and trying to pull up the pictures. Okay. Currently, if you see on the top middle, it says camera roll. That's the location that I am within my phone. If I want to go to a different location, I'll just tap on that, and this will take me to different locations where I can go and select these pictures from. Okay. But for this, I'll use the camera roll location, and I'll just tap on that to go back. Now, to select multiple images, you see in the middle of my screen, it says select multiple. Tap on that. Now, this gives me the option of selecting multiple pictures. As you can see, the little one on the very first picture that says KahindoTech, that indicates how many pictures I have selected. So if I tap the one picture next to it, and it says 2, so that's the second picture, and then 3, and I just have to select more picture. Just go ahead and tap on the pictures that you like to add, and that shows up like that. See, once you have selected all the pictures that you can, I think you can select up to 10 pictures, I believe so. Okay, once you have selected all your pictures, look on the upper right corner. Do you see where it says next in blue? Tap on that, and then once you're here, it's giving you a chance to edit your pictures if you want to. And then after you finish editing all you have to, go ahead and click on where it says next. Alright, now once you get to here, you can add other information about this group of pictures that you have selected. If you have done all of that, click on where it says share, and I was posting. There you go. I've just added multiple images to my Instagram, and as you can see, if I move my finger across the picture, I'll get all the pictures that I posted. Okay, and that's how you add multiple pictures to your Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.